Qualcomm jumped 6.17% yesterday, part of the same chip sector rally that sent Intel up over 10%. Qualcomm is up nearly 12% in the past 30 days alone. Analysts are warning the stock may be 34% overvalued. We ran both a 1-month and a 1-year FSR. Here's what the data shows. Qualcomm makes the chips and licenses the technology inside most of the world's smartphones. CDMA 5G patents the foundational wireless IP virtually every device maker pays to use. They are reportedly interested in acquiring an AI chip company, which is part of what's fueling this rally alongside the broader semiconductor sector move. Wells Fargo raised their price target from 160 to 230 just last week, but kept an equal weight rating, not a full buy. 1 month of hourly data, FSR scored 84.8%, rolling FSR 95.8%. Prices range between 190 and 255 over the past month, currently sitting near the top of that range around 226. The 1-month average is 223. Prices hovering right around it. Now the full year FSR score 72%, rolling FSR 93%. Price started near 150, dropped to a low around 125 mid-year, then ran hard to a recent high near 245. The yearly average sits at 163. Price is well above it now. Look at that rolling FSR around windows 215 to 220. It collapsed to 75%, the worst reading of the year. That's exactly where the stock bottomed before the recovery began. Here's the tension in this data. Analyst average target is 183. The stock closed at 226. Some analysts say it's 34% overvalued at current levels. The FSR doesn't settle that argument, but it does show you a stock that broke down hard, found a bottom with a clear structural collapse, and it has been recovering with real momentum since. Earnings are July 29th. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.